In this video, you're going to learn how to curvature text with Affinity Designer. Let's get it. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, my name is Angel from Angel Designs, and my goal is to teach you the tools to become the best graphic designer using Affinity Designer. If this is something you're interested, consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to be doing is create a new document. So we're going to go to File, go to New, and this is the preset that I have. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. So hit Create. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm going to use a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the ellipse tool, Control Shift and left click, drag it just like that. About right there is good. Zoom in a little bit. And let's say you don't have this circle aligned, so you go up here to alignment. You can align centered and align middle, okay? And then hit apply, just like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our artistic tool over here. And if you notice, it changes right here. If you hover over the circle, it has a squiggly line with a letter T. So that means you are good, and you can go ahead and left click just like that, okay? So right here we have two handles. We have the green that indicates the beginning of the text, and the orange over here indicates the end of the text, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and align these centered, just like that. And if you notice, it's gonna automatically snap in the centered, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and type text on a path, just like that. And if you notice, is right aligned over here to our left. So we want this in the centered. So we're gonna go ahead over here, align centered, just like that, okay? So now what we have to do is increase the sizes, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and triple click this, just like that. And over here, you just hover over it and spin the wheel on your mouse, okay? So I think about 40 should be good. Yeah, increase a little bit more, about right there. Okay, 46. And we're gonna go ahead and change our font, make it more interesting. So I'm gonna go to my recents and go to Franklin Gothic and choose that one. All right, that looks good. Okay, so we're gonna be doing is create another text. So we're gonna go over here by the end of the text, and then you're gonna hit entered. And right there, if you notice, now we can start typing our new text. So I'm gonna text on a path, just like that. And we're gonna align, again, we have two more handles. These handle right here are for this one up here, and these handle right here are for this text underneath, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and snap it centered. All right, so right now we have that, but if you notice down here, the spacing is not correct. It's like everything bunched together. So let's say you want it just to be like this one up here. So what we're gonna have to do is go up here to baseline. So let's triple click this. Let's go to baseline and move this to our right until it snaps. Just like that. So right there, we have the same thing, just like the one above. But let's say you want it inside the circle. So let's bring that back inside. So we go over here to our baseline. We bring it back down. Oh, I went too far. Right there where it snaps. And let's bring this one also in the inside. Go to our baseline as well. Move to our right until it snaps. About right there. Okay? There we go. About right there. Now, we see the spacing is not correct here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna triple click that and press Alt, and we're gonna use the right arrow keys on your keyboard, okay? Now we fixing the spacing, and we have it just like that, okay? For the sake of the video, I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Of course, it needs some more improvement here and stuff to make it the same as this one up here. So now let's say you finalize everything of your artwork. So we're gonna go ahead and create this as a curve, okay? So to do that, go over here to your move tool, and we're gonna go ahead and convert to curve, okay? So once you create a curve, now you have this as an automatically vector file right here. So now you can go ahead and increase however you want it and do all that type of things. So that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so this concludes this video. Hopefully I have found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe, ring post notifications, and also guys, if you have something specific you want me to teach in this channel, let me know in the comments below and I would love to make a video about it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. My name is Angel from Angel Designs. Stay positive, stay creative, and see you on the next one.